The strike by some 100,000 miners in the Platinum Belt has brought output to a halt. Losses in revenue by workers and mining houses are expected to run into millions of rand. The workers hope the industrial action will help improve their circumstances.
I
support my wife and children, and there's not enough money to buy all the things we need. That's why I've decided to join the strike.
The average take-home pay for a miner in South Africa is 5,400 rand. This excludes any benefits like overtime and leaving out allowances. The average salary for a mine worker in Australia is around 20,000 rand and 37,000 rand for a miner working in Canada.
The South African conditions for mining, especially the ultra-deep level mining in gold mines and also the underground mining with regard to platinum, are far more dangerous and much more difficult to operate in. And so just the danger factor in itself should actually be something that should be taken into consideration when pay is considered for South African workers. Most Australian workers work in open-cast pit mines, and although those are highly capital-intensive and use a lot of technology, the workers in Australian open-cast mines still get more money than South African workers in open-cast mines that do exactly the same work with exactly the same equipment.
South Africa is rated as a country with one of the highest rates of inequalities in the world.
One needs to bear in mind that the way that salaries and wages are determined for lower level, very often unskilled or semi-skilled labour is a very different labour market issue to the way that wages are determined for the chief executive. But of course it's a very visible thing, and every worker knows that the bosses wear Italian cut suits and they come to work in luxury German cars, whereas they have to take taxis or whatever the case may be. And so it's quite understandable. And undoubtedly, the world, not just South Africa, but the world is becoming more concerned about the issue of the gap between the top earners and the bottom people in the wage distribution.
Mine workers are pinning their hopes on the negotiations between mining companies and labour aimed at resolving the week-old strike in the platinum sector. They are hoping that their demand for a living wage will be met. Naledi Mulifi, SABC News, Johannesburg.